Hi guys, it's Eric Butler, the General Manager here at Kia of Everett, the home of simple, easy fun. I wanted to give you a rundown of what to expect on your first time coming in for a service appointment. I'm going to show you where to go, where to check in, kind of how it goes, as well as places that you can sit down and do work if you need to do work. We have all kinds of snacks. I'll show you where those are at as well. We like to make service simple here, so come with me, I'll show you how it works. Here at Kia of Everett, we want your service visit to be easy. We have this beautiful covered area where you can pull your car right in so that if it's raining out or windy out or the weather isn't great, you're not in the elements while you're getting checked in. Right when you get here, one of our teammates, whether it be a greeter or one of our actual service riders, will come right out and greet you and get you all checked in for your appointment. Normally what they do is they'll walk around your car, making sure that we note any sort of damage, anything like that. They'll also go over any concerns that you might have, any additional work or any other issues that you want us to look at. We'll take care of all of that right here, right when you get here. All right, so now you're all checked in, right? So we got a lot of cool things going on around here that you should know about. We have a waiting area if you're gonna stay here and wait for your car to be repaired. If you need a lift, we actually offer a service where we'll get you a lift up to 5 miles away from the dealership, complimentary on Kia of Everett. We'll be happy to take care of that. If you are gonna be staying here and doing work, we have free Wi-Fi so you can sync up your laptops, phones, stuff like that, so you can sit down and work. A lot of our customers do. Sometimes I feel like they're working harder than I am. If you're hungry or you're thirsty, we got snacks like crazy. We're always, constantly stocking that up. So a lot of our customers, I think honestly, they love our service department, but I think they like our snacks sometimes even better. We want to make service here fun. We know that your time is important. We want to make sure that we make the best use of it. When our technicians are working on their vehicles, they'll be reporting to the service riders as soon as they find anything that needs to be done or has any recommendations. That service rider, if you're here, will come and find you in person and let you know what's going on. If you're not here, we'll text you or call you. You tell us the best way to get in touch with you, but we want to make sure you know what's going on and that we're getting this work done in the time that we promised it would be done. So you're all done with your service, and we want to make sure that when we get you checked out, that not only do we get you all the information as far as what was done, what recommendations maybe that you need to be thinking about for next time, but we want to walk you out to your vehicle as well, making sure you know where it's parked, and so that if you have any last questions, anything else that we can handle at that point, we'll be happy to do so. We want to make sure that your service visit from the time that you arrived to the time that you left was simple, easy, and fun. That's who we are. If you bought your car from us, we are so grateful that you've decided to service with us. If you're just deciding that you're going to use us as a place to service your vehicle, we understand that there's lots of places that you could do so, and we are so grateful that you chose us. On behalf of myself and my whole staff here at Kia of Everett and the home of simple, easy fun, thank you.